Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to put refrigerant in your Toyota Avalon's AC system. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Always work on a cool engine to avoid burns. Next, identify the low-pressure service port, which is typically on the larger diameter line. This port is where you will connect your recharge kit. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and effective process. Now let's connect the recharge kit. Firmly attach the Quick Connect fitting from your refrigerant can to the low-pressure service port. Listen for a click to confirm it's properly seated, preventing any leaks. Once connected, start your vehicle's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. This prepares the system for optimal refrigerant intake. With the engine running and AC on high, invert the refrigerant can and slowly squeeze the trigger to begin adding refrigerant. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit. The ideal low-side pressure for most systems is between 25 and 45 psi. Stop adding refrigerant once the needle consistently stays within this green zone. Overfilling can damage your AC system. Once the pressure is correct, quickly and carefully disconnect the recharge kit from the service port. Feel the air coming from your car's vents. It should now be noticeably colder. Also, visually inspect all connections for any signs of refrigerant leaks. With these steps complete, your Toyota Avalon's air conditioning should be blowing refreshingly cold air once again. Enjoy your comfortable ride.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.